When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. Got carried away, didn't I? But wait a second. Who even came up with pizza? If you said Italians invented the pizza, you wouldn't be wrong. But so many countries had the same idea. Great minds think alike? Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, and even Persians had pizza as their go-to meal. They just called it a flatbread instead. In the 5th century, Persian soldiers cooked their flatbreads with cheese and dates. And guess what they cooked them on? Their shields! I wonder if they still had cheese stuck on them in the battlefield. In the ancient Roman city of Pompeii, archaeologists found structures and tools that possibly made up a pizza shop. Did they also make home deliveries in those days? The kind of pizza we eat now came from Naples in Italy. The first pizza shop was called Antica Pizzeria. It opened in 1830 and is still super popular. The coolest part, one type of pizza also has a royal connection. When the King and Queen of Italy stopped by for a visit in 1889, they got tired of eating fancy food all the time and wanted to eat something local and yummy. A man called Rafael Esposito came to their rescue and made 3 kinds of pizza for them. The one the Queen loved most had mozzarella cheese, tomatoes, and basil. And because she loved it so much, they named it after her, the Margherita. Since the end of World War II, pizza has become a favorite all over the world. And people put crazy toppings on it now. Potatoes, gold leaf, and even marshmallows. I don't know about marshmallows, but I had to ask, does pineapple really belong on pizza?